The Jamaica Constabulary Force is reporting that the Portmore serial rapist has been arrested.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A release from the Jamaica Constabulary Force reads as follows. A suspect believed to be the Portmore serial rapist is now in custody. He was arrested last evening in Congreve Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. Meanwhile, the police are asking anyone who may have information that can assist the ongoing investigation to visit the Portmore Police headquarters. Now, a video that has been circulating on social media apparently shows the perpetrator in action. I must take this opportunity to commend the police officers in Portmore for their efforts in removing this predator from the streets, assuming that they have the right man. I also sincerely hope that all the victims of this alleged serial rapist are okay health-wise, especially in light of allegations that the rapist failed to use a condom during his sexual assaults. The emotional and psychological aspects are another factor that will take time to process, but I am happy and I am sure that the females in Portmore will also rest a little easier with knowledge that this perverted criminal has been removed from the streets. I hope that the victims will come forward so that the wheels of justice can now be set in motion expeditiously.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.